In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize images Squarespace. By the end, you'll know how to add an image block the right way, choose or upload a high-quality image, and fine-tune key settings that improve performance, accessibility, and design without adding unnecessary bloat to your pages. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, open your dashboard and choose the site you want to work on by selecting Go to Website. This brings you into your site editor, where all the optimization work takes place. In the left navigation, click Website, then Open Pages. Pick the page you want to improve and click Edit. You'll now be in the Pages Editing view, where we'll add and configure an image block. Hover where you want the image to appear and click Add Block. In the block picker, open the Essentials category and choose Image. An image placeholder will appear on the page. Click the new image block and select Edit to open the image settings. Here's where you make smart choices that impact both load speed and how search engines and assistive technologies understand your visuals. When the file options open, you'll see several ways to add an image. You can upload file from your computer for new content, select from library if the file is already in your site's assets, upload from mobile if you're bringing in a photo from your phone, or browse stock images to use a high-quality stock photo. For this example, browse the stock images, click a photo that fits your design and brand, then choose Add Image. Keeping images relevant and visually consistent will make your page feel polished, while selecting the right dimensions up front helps Squarespace serve optimized versions without unnecessary upscaling. With the image placed, click the image block again and choose Edit to refine key settings. To make the image clickable, open the link option and attach a link. Use this thoughtfully. Link to a related page, a product, or a form, so the image supports your page's goals. Next, adjust the alternate file name and the image alt text. The alternate file name helps keep your media library tidy and descriptive. Use short, meaningful words separated by hyphens. The image alt text is essential for accessibility and SEO. Write a concise description that explains the image's content or purpose in context, such as handcrafted ceramic mug on a wooden table. Or, if the image is purely decorative, keep it minimal so it doesn't distract screen reader users. Switch to the Design tab to shape how the image appears. Choose a shape that matches your site's style, square, rounded, or another preset to create visual consistency. Under Transforms, you can subtly adjust how the image crops and scales in its container. Small, careful tweaks go a long way to maintain clarity on both desktop and mobile. If you want movement, open Animation and then Triggers. Click the plus icon to add a trigger and select a tasteful effect such as Grow. Keep animations subtle so they enhance rather than distract from your content. A gentle grow on hover or scroll can add polish while keeping performance in check. Back on the page, drag the image to reposition it within your layout and resize it by pulling the handles. Aim for visual balance with nearby text and elements and avoid making images larger than they need to be. When you're happy with the placement and settings, click Save to commit your changes, then exit the editor to view the page as a visitor would. Click the image to confirm your link works and take a quick look at the page on a smaller browser width to ensure it scales nicely. That's it. You've added an optimized image, set accessible alt text, aligned the design with your site's style, and kept performance in mind. Repeat these best practices across your pages for a faster, cleaner, and more discoverable Squarespace site.